Hi friends, welcome to our live stream channel. This is Ariel, sales manager from Qingdao TNT Homewares, and I'm so glad to meet you here at the online carton fair this year. As we know, we've been a very difficult time this year, not only to our business but also to our lives. But I do believe we will cross over. So first, please allow me to thank you for all your patience, understanding and support during difficult times. We will also provide more professional support, high quality products and lower price for all of our customers. Okay, let's start today's show. Today I have a collection of Willow storage choice here for you. It's a set of 4. We have 2 small size, 1 medium size, and 1 large. It also have removable fabric liner, so you can clean it easily. It's made of willow, the natural willow, dyed with gray and white. Okay. It's very firm. Different size provide different storage choice for you. Okay. There's a large one is suitable for magazines and books, and the medium one is for toys. Okay. For the small one, you can put your makeups or keys or candies or cookies. Let's check the size one by one. Okay. The dimension of the large basket is 33, and the height is about 17. The medium one, it measures 38, 28, and the height is about 15. The size of the small one is the same, 23, 16, and the height is about 12. This is a set of 4. You can put it together to save the space when you are not using it. Okay, to save the space.